Hi kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to HDSC Education. Today we will learn science. Let us begin with the chapter. The chapter name is Cleanliness, Health and Hygiene. Keeping your body clean helps to you stay fit and healthy. You may fall sick if you stay unclean. Thus maintenance hygiene is a necessary practice. Any activities that you do to keep yourself healthy and clean is called hygiene. Washing hand, bathing and cleaning of your surrounding are all parts of good hygiene. Self-hygiene is very important because no one likes to be close to a person who stinks and is dirty. To practice self-hygiene, we should take care of many things. We have to adopt some simple healthy habits to keep ourselves clean. They are as follow, like hand washing. Washing hand is the most important step for preventing the disease causing germs. The correct way of washing hand to lather your hand by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the backs of your hands between your fingers and under the nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. You should wash hands with soap and water before and after eating food, after using the toilet, after touching animals, after sneezing, etc. Next is oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day after breakfast and before going to bed. You should not eat or drink after you have cleaned your teeth before going to bed. After every meal, you should rinse your mouth with water. This will remove the food practices that remain inside your mouth and stick in between your teeth. A clean, healthy mouth feels nice, look good and keeps your breath fresh. Next is bathing. When you work and play, your body becomes dirty due to sweat and diet. Sometimes your body when smells bad due the sweat. So you should take bath regularly. Bathing opens the pores on your skin and makes it clean. We should wipe off the skin with a clean and dirty towel after the bath and wear clothes clean. You should not try to keep bath in winter. You can take warm water bath in winter. Next is hair care. When you travel or play, your hair may become dirty. Dandruff started appearing in dirty hair. You should thus wash your hair regularly with shampoo. Hair should be properly oiled and combed. Hair should be regularly trimmed. Long hair should be neatly tied. Everybody needs food to grow and stay healthy. Food gives us energy to do work. You should eat a variety of foods from each food group daily in the right amount. Eating energy-giving food such as wheat, rice, etc. give us energy to stay active. Protective food such as fruits and vegetables help us to fight disease. Drinking milk regularly helps us to grow and keeps your bones strong. Fish, pearls and chicken are bodybuilding food. You should not eat uncovered food as the flies sit on uncovered food and may transfer the germ. Do not eat uncovered food as germs start growing in or on it. Apart from eating healthy food, you should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. This helps you to maintain your body temperature and keeps your body hydrated. You get tired when you work all the day. Your body gets rest when you sleep. It is important to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every day. It helps our body to relax and make us feel fresh. It repairs our body cells and increases the energy and efficiency to work. Our body regains energy after rest. We should go to bed on time and get up early in the morning. Regular exercise tones up your muscles and improves the body circulation in your body. When you exercise, the heartbeat at a fast rate, more oxygen is taking in and more carbon dioxide and water vapor is taking out. Playing keeps your fit and strong. It also makes you happy. It is advised to play outdoor games. Cricket, volleyball, badminton and football are some outdoor games. You can also play indoor games such as chess, carom and ludo. You should not watch too much television or play games on your mobile phone and computer. It can harm your eyes. Do you know, kids, milk, juice and other common foods go through the process of pasteurization before they are packed in cartons. Pasteurization is the process where harmful bacteria are killed in foods and liquids. Now, cleanliness in the surroundings. Everything around us is a part of our surroundings. Clean surroundings are good for humans, animals and plants. We should keep our surroundings clean to stay healthy. Throwing garbage on the road and street give out a very bad smell. It also become a breeding ground for flies, mosquitoes and other disease-causing germs. Garbage thrown into river, pond and other water bodies pollutes water and make it until unfit for drinking. So, garbage thrown carelessly on land or water pollutes land, water or air as well. Polluted and dirty surrounding can make us sick. So kids, go through learn the chapter and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.